So the phase 5 sound that we're doing today is a little bit of a tricky one. A lot of these words that have this sound in them are tricky words anyway, so you don't necessarily need to sound them out. But that says a w or sometimes a h. I'll show you the h in a moment. But this is, we're going to, for this one, it's going to be a w sound, okay? So let's have a practice at saying the w sound. W. Brilliant. So it's a W and an H saying the w sound. Now, when I was young, we used to say it was a silent H, but it's not really. It is what they are still working together, making the w sound. So some of you may have heard, oh, it's a silent H. It's not really. It's just that the H is there, but it's just making it say a w sound. So we'll have a quick read of some words and then I'll show you the other sound it sometimes makes. Are we ready? So we should be able to read this even though it's quite a long word. It's a 2-syllable word. So I have spoken to you before about splitting it so that we can read it. 2-syllable word. Let's go. Starting with this sound. What's this sound? W. Is. Is. Wisp. Whisper. Brilliant. Brilliant. This we call a tricky word. Where. So some of you know this already because it's a tricky word. But there's our W and H making the w sound. This sometimes makes an air sound in there as well, but it's really a tricky word that we practice a lot. What about this one? At. But we don't say what, we say what. Again, it's a tricky word. Like I say, a lot of these words that have the w sound in them are tricky words. When. Brilliant. I'm going to show you just the other slide. So sometimes our W and H make a h sound. H sound. So this word says whole. Whole. The whole apple. Whole. So that is saying a h sound. Actually, if I write this word as well, who are you? That's my h sound. So when we go through the sounds, we say this. This is, I've calibrated the board and it's still not writing properly. We say this is a w or a h. That's what we say. So the W and H is a w or a h when we see it. Let's have a practice of writing. So let's have a practice of writing some of those words. So the first word we're going to write is when. When. But don't forget, our w sound is spelt like this. So our w sound is spelt like this. That's making our w sound. So we're going to write when. When. Brilliant. Let's write the next one. Have a go at writing where. You might remember that. I'll give you a clue. I'll put it up here. This is the air sound in where. So you can have a go at writing that. Brilliant. That's very big writing, isn't it? And I just heard somebody here said went because it's similar to that, but we know that went is just spelt without the H next to it because that's one of our words that we use a lot. So we've got that on our wall. So we know that the w in that isn't a W and H. So it's just in a few words that it's a W and an H. If you see a W and an H together, it's either saying a w sound or a h sound. Brilliant.